Without the Joker around, you're just a silly little girl with no one around to protect her.
He's after all of us now. We need to work together.
With you.
You're legitimately insane.
Here's the deal, Quinn. You need me.
You can shove your protection right up your... I got a PhD, mother...
Harley Quinn in Birds of Prey.